Get ready to explore the ultimate mix of beaches, culture, and adventure in Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. From golden sands and colorful streets to waterfalls, forts, and quirky attractions, this Caribbean destination is filled with experiences you won't want to miss. This travel guide highlights the 9 best things to do in Puerto Plata in 2025, each one offering its own flavor of excitement. Imagine lounging on Playa Dorada, snapping vibrant photos at Pink Street, or dive into adrenaline at the 27 Waterfalls. Wander under the whimsical umbrellas of San Felipe Street, step back in time at Fort San Felipe, and soak in the lively energy of Cabarete. For animal lovers and thrill seekers, zipline through Monkey Jungle or dive into interactive fun at Ocean World Adventure Park. And to top it all off, explore the wild imagination of Castillo Mundo King. Let's count down the best adventures Puerto Plata has to offer. Number 9. Playa Dorada. Playa Dorada in Puerto Plata is the heart of the area's tourist activity and one of the Dominican Republic's most famous golden sand beaches. This stretch of coastline is lined with all-inclusive resorts buzzing with energy and filled with rows of loungers and cabanas where sunbathers relax under the Caribbean sun. The warm waters here are perfect for swimming or diving into exciting water sports, with plenty of central shops offering gear for your adventure. If you are not staying at one of the resorts, there are even more options nearby. Head toward the center of town, where the 3-kilometer-long Malikon offers beautiful beaches and a scenic oceanside road. Starting at Long Beach and winding northwest past Costa Rica Beach and Acapulco Beach, the Malikon combines stunning views with lively local charm. Several stretches of boardwalk make it easy to stroll along the waterfront, enjoy the sea breeze, and soak in the Puerto Plata's unique blend of relaxation and activity. Number 8. Pink Street. Paseo de Doña Blanca, better known to visitors as Pink Street, is exactly what the name suggests, an entirely pink street. From the walkway and buildings to the plant boxes and window frames, everything here is painted in vibrant shades of pink. As you stroll through, the light bounces off every surface, creating a rosy glow that makes even you look pink. The quirky spot is one of the most unique photo opportunities in Puerto Plata. The street itself is short and only takes a few minutes to walk end to end, but chances are you will linger longer, adjusting angles and snapping photos to capture the perfect pink shot. Just off Pink Street, you will also find a couple of charming restaurants with patios. They are great places to sit down, enjoy a meal, and watch the constant flow of people passing by. For travelers chasing both Instagram-worthy pictures and local flavor, Paseo de Doña Blanca is an unforgettable stop. Number 7. 27 Waterfalls. Beyond the beach, the Damahagua Waterfalls stand out as Puerto Plata's top natural attraction and a true adventure for nature lovers. Outfitted with helmets and life jackets, visitors make their way to the top of a series of waterfalls before heading downstream in the most thrilling ways, jumping, swimming, and sliding down natural stone chutes carved by rushing water. Highlights of the journey include the 20-foot plunge at La Tinajita and the twisting ride down Corkscrew Falls, both guaranteed to get your adrenaline pumping. For something a little different, there's a pool at Jaiba named after the freshwater crabs hidden in the rocks, an unusual 2-layer pool where the top water is ice cold while the bottom stays warm. The experience doesn't stop at the waterfalls. There's also a visitor center and a restaurant where you can relax, grab a meal, and reflect on the adventure. Damahagua is more than just a sightseeing spot. It's an unforgettable rush of nature and excitement. Number 6. Umbrella Street. The colorful umbrella street trend has made its way to Puerto Plata, adding a playful and vibrant charm to the city. What started in Agueda, Portugal back in 2012 has now become a global phenomenon, and here it's one of the most photographed spots in town. Officially known as San Felipe Street, this pedestrian-only walkway is marked on tourists' map simply as Umbrella Streets, and for good reason. Brightly colored umbrellas are strung overhead, casting a whimsical canopy canopy that contrasts beautifully with the deep blue Caribbean sky. As you wander beneath the umbrellas, the atmosphere feels lively and inviting. Small retail shops line the street, selling everything from souvenirs to local crafts, while ice cream vendors and snack stalls add a sweet touch to the stroll. Whether you're shopping, snapping photos, or just soaking up the playful vibe, Umbrella Street has quietly become a must-see attraction and a favorite spot for travelers exploring Puerto Plata. Number 5. Fort San Felipe. Fort San Felipe, also known as Fuerte San Felipe, is Puerto Plata's only surviving colonial structure and one of the very first European forts built in the Americas. Perched on the coast, it offers sweeping views of the city, the mountains beyond, and the harbor, where cruise ships often dock. Construction began in 1564 and was completed in 1577, designed to defend the area against rival European colonists and pirate attacks in search of silver and gold. Over the centuries, its role shifted and it became notorious as a prison, especially during the dictatorship of Trujillo when political descendants were held within its thick stone walls. Inside, you'll find wartime artifacts and a small museum that sheds light on the fort's fascinating history. Surrounded by a moat and illuminated at night, the fort becomes even more striking after sunset. The park below is also a great place to relax and catch incredible views of the Caribbean horizon. Number 4. Day trip to Cabarete. Cabarete is framed by wide stretches of soft, golden sand that seems to go on forever, creating a lively destination loved by the young, adventurous, and even active retirees. Along Cabarete Beach, restaurants spill right onto the sand, inviting you to enjoy a meal with your toes in the water or simply sit back and soak up the laid-back vibe. Just behind the beach, the main road is lined with shops and retail spots, adding even more energy to this coastal hub. Thanks to its warm waters and steady winds, Cabarete has become one of the world's top destinations for kiteboarding. Beginners can take lessons of the iconic kite beach, while experienced riders can put their skills to the test with thrilling rides across the waves. Surfers also flock to nearby Playa Encuentro, a spot known for consistent swells. Here, you can catch waves in the morning and switch to kiteboarding in the afternoon, making Cabarete a paradise for water sports enthusiasts. Number 3. Zipline Adventure and Eco Tour to Monkeyland. Ziplining through Monkey Jungle is the perfect blend of adrenaline and nature. This lush stretch of forest, home to playful squirrel monkeys, lies at the edge of El Choco National Park near Cabarete. A guided zipline tour from Puerto Plata takes you right into the heart of it. The adventure lasts about 5 to 6 hours and includes transportation to the park. Once there, you'll find 2 suspension bridges and 7 thrilling ziplines, each offering incredible views of the tropical canopy below. But it's not all about soaring through the trees. There's also a chance to explore the jungle on foot. With the guidance of a professional naturalist, you'll get up close with the lively squirrel monkeys, feed them, and learn about their fascinating behaviors. Along the way, discover the rich ecosystem of the Dominican Republic, from native plants to other wildlife that call this forest home. Monkey Jungle combines adventure, education, and wildlife encounters in one unforgettable experience. Number 2. Ocean World Adventure Park. Ocean World Adventure Park, just 3 miles from Puerto Plata, is a must-visit for families and couples looking for interactive marine life experiences. This destination goes far beyond your average water park. General admission includes access to pools, water slides, and the tropical reef aquarium, where you can snorkel among vibrant marine life. Guests can also enjoy a variety of educational animal shows featuring dolphins, sea lions, sharks, and even colorful tropical birds. For those seeking something extra, Ocean World offers special programs that bring you closer to the animals. Imagine petting stingrays, swimming alongside sharks, or having unforgettable encounters with dolphins. Options range from a quick meet and greet to full-day programs where you will even help trainers care for those amazing creatures. With so many ways to connect with the ocean, Ocean World Adventure Park delivers fun, learning, and adventure all in one stop, making it one of Puerto Plata's most exciting attractions. Number 1. Castillo Mundo King. For an experience so wild and unusual that words hardly do it justice, head to Castillo Mundo King in Solua. Entering this eccentric mansion feels like stepping directly into the imagination of a creative genius or perhaps a madman. The architecture alone is a spectacle, with the strange shapes, sudden turns, and staircases that seems to go on forever. Inside, you will discover rooms filled with Haitian art, voodoo-inspired sculptures, and colorful paintings covering nearly every surface. Spaceships, random halls that lead nowhere, and even a dungeon add to the sense of wonder and confusion. This 5-story structure was the lifelong passion of Rolf Schulz, who began the project in 1990 and continued building until his death in 2018. Climb all the way to the top for panoramic views of the surrounding landscape and a supposed spaceship landing pad. The site is open casually to visitors. Simply walk in and eventually someone will collect the modest entrance fee of around 500 DOP, cash only.